welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing another lazy girl method, one of my favorite methods to do. So simple and easy. I'm going to be taking my red and silver glitter along with Nail Reserve Do Me a Favor, my McCart Polygel A Siesta, and my glitter container here along with my Nail Reserve base coat. And right now what I'm going to be doing is encapsulating this glitter. So I'm going to place my base coat, a thin layer of base coat first, and then add my glitter into an ombre. So I'm going to start off with the red and then the silver and then pat it in with my gel brush. And after I'm done pouring the glitter on top of the base coat, I do cure it for 60 seconds in the lamp. And here I'm just going to use my gel brush just to blend out that glitter so it gives it a nice seamless ombre look. And remember guys, it's December, so I'm going to be using a lot of winter and Christmas colors. So don't get mad. I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm going to be using a lot of red, blue, silver, white, green, all these nice Christmas colors and winter colors. Okay, guys. So I'm going to let you guys continue watching me do these glitter ombres. So now, once all of the nail tips are done, I am taking my poly gel, and this is what I'm going to basically put as my adhesive. So this is what's going to make the full cover tip stick to my natural nail. And people use so many other things. They use builder gel, they use extend gel, sorry guys, and nail glue, but I'm using polygel. This is just because I wanted the color for the natural nail plate. But other than that, I would have probably just used my peel off base like I do in all my videos. Just because it's easy for me to just pop off these nails. And because I'm always doing my nails so frequently, that's why I do that. But these are using a polygel too does pop off the nails easily. Like I said, I'm only using this polygel because of the base, the color of it. It gives it a nice complexion, natural color. I should say. It's one of my favorite color poly gels, the Macar ACS. Highly, highly recommend this color when you're doing French tips or an ombre and you want to make that top part by the cuticle area look as natural. This is definitely a good poly gel. So now once I'm done, I am going in with my diamond bit, my 5-in-1 diamond bit, and I'm just going to go around the cuticle area and then just make sure that I'm getting off any excess poly gel and also sealing the cuticle. This will help make it more of a natural nail and make it look like it's flush to the cuticle and it doesn't look like it's a full cover tip. And I'm just going to go in with my hand file and file the sides to make sure that I have that nice crisp square shape along with the free edge. So once I'm done filing, I'm going to go in with my base coat and base coat all my nails for 60 seconds so that when I do my gel polish ombre, it'll come out for a smoothest surface. And I'm going to do and teach you guys a nail hack that I learned that gives a nice seamless ombre using gel polish. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my ombre brush, and this is going to make your life so much easier when you're doing an ombre using gel polish. So I am going to take my Nail Reserve. Do me a favor. This is a nice, pretty pink nude color for ombres and French tip nails. So I'm making that. I'm sorry. I'm making that towards the middle. I'm going to place a little thin coat, and then I'm taking my ombre brush, and I wanted to see how it would look before I do my little nail hack ombre, or ombre nail hack, I should say. So I'm just ombreing it out, and I was like, it's not as seamless as I want it to be. So now I'm going to take my base coat because, I'm not using another color. I just want to make it nice and clear. So what I realize is when, if you're doing two different colors, what you would do is take those two different colors and you mix it together. But if you just want to use the color that you're using for your natural nail, take a base coat or a top coat, and then you ombre those two together, and you have such a seamless ombre look using gel polish. And I was like, oh wow, look at this. So right now I'm just like fixing it up and everything, getting it to how exactly I want it. I brought it down a little bit, and I was like, maybe I don't want it that far down, so I wipe it off and just do it as, to the I do it as how far I wanted it down. And so I realized that I didn't want the ombre part of the nail to be, covering the red, and that's what it was doing right here. Even though it still looked nice, I was like, that's just too much. So I just took off some of that and then just ombred it until it's seamless. And I did that for all of the nails, guys. So definitely recommend, if you're doing like your ombre into a clear nail, or you already have the design underneath like how I have it, and you just want to ombre, to just make sure that the ombre from the cuticle area to the free edge, use a clear top coat or a base coat, and I'm telling you, it works wonders. Like, it makes your ombre look so seamless. You guys will see at the end. Okay, and now here is the finished product. Tell me, guys, that does not look like a nice seamless ombre. Like, I am so in love, and it is so easy. Like I said, guys, use my ombre nail hack. You will love it. It will not look like um it would look like you did like some, a polygel ombre together, or like an acrylic ombre. You know how you get that seamless, nice ombre look? That, and it's so hard to do it with gel polish. This is definitely how you do it. So now I'm going in with my white spider gel, and I'm just making some spider, basically just some lines around it, around the glitter part. And I thought that would, like, give it a nice festive look. I just like the way that look. Like I said, this is my like Christmas nails. I told you guys before in my previous video, I'm doing all winter nails for Christmas. I mean, all winter nails for December, and Christmas nails. So this is my little Christmas glitter nails, and look how pretty. I feel like this spider gel is like making everything come together. It looks so, so cute and pretty. So yeah, guys, watch until the end for the final look. Now, after top coating the top and underneath, this is the final look, guys. Look how cute these look. So easy, simple Christmas nails. I love them, guys. And you cannot even tell that these are like gel polish ombre, right? Oh my God. It's a gel polish glitter ombre nails. I am so in love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.